Here we are at Knottingley, England Lane level crossing in West Yorkshire with Joe and Adam. The time now is 20:44 on Friday the 25th of August 2017. This is for you. I'm going to set this before you. 20:45, 5 Foxtrot 34, Northern service from Knottingley to Knottingley. Right, it's for you. 20:45, 5 Foxtrot. Let me get back in again. 5 Foxtrot 30.
See, look, every time I close my Safari, it deletes all the pages.
20:45, 5 Foxtrot 34, Northern service from Knottingley to Knottingley.
I wish iOS 10.3.2 was still signed by Apple, but no, it's not.
What is it signed by then? A Samsung?
What do you mean?
Well, why, if it's iOS is signed by Apple, Adam?
Yeah, I know, but it's not signed anymore.
But
so I can't use it anymore because Apple basically, it's either use the latest operating system or smash your phone on a brick wall.
Well, I've got iOS 11 on my phone.
I don't like it.
I do. It's good.
It messed up my phone, but I'm
Yeah, because you got the beta. That's why.
No, it won't be any good because the betas don't really do much speed difference from the actual firmwares themselves.
Ah.
And to be honest, that is like the last firmware my 5S will support.
That's a funny place to put a crossing sign in. Look at that! Look at that little crossing information sign just hid behind the fence. It looks like it's prisoner.
This normally stays down ages, doesn't it?
No, it was not
no,
that.
last time,
No, because when we went to England Lane, when we went over that crossing the first time, the crossing was up. We got back here. We got here, it was down. We went back and it was back up again. So it's obviously not down for long, is it? I think I can hear it coming. So it only took about just 2.5 minutes to do that.
I don't know if I saw it, but I saw it go down for the train from Knottingley to Knottingley, but then that one didn't go down, and I knew that there was a malfunction because when the freight came, I knew it was going to be a malfunction because this crossing wasn't even down.
You see the lights flashing in the window. Look, both of them.
I actually have a feeling that that crossing has problems with the signalling centre. Actually, you can film this side afterwards, can't you?
Yeah, I will. I'm blocking the floodlight out with my hand. That's quite a good shot, that.
Yeah.
3 minutes 18. What? Yes, I do, Adam.
That was funny, wasn't it?
Not really.
Oh, you made the loudest sound I've ever heard in my whole life. Well, not for filming after the freighter goes because I missed that closure anyway. I didn't even expect it because I was waiting for them children to go away. It was like, what, stalking us basically?
Say so.
They literally were because they were literally just like watching us from the footbridge and like going like from the, they were looking for the side, and then as soon as they saw me, they belted it down there.
This is certainly taking its time. Here it comes. What have you done? Pacer bus. Is it?
Knottingley's up.
You know that. It's a 153. 153. 363. 153, 363 to go into Knottingley.